Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about two commands. One is scale command and the other one is align. Okay, first let's set our units units, and today I am going to use engineering as the type and precision I have set, and I am going to use in inches. Okay, that's fine. Now let's draw a circle. Okay, say this is the center point and my radius will be 1 feet. Okay, enter. This is a circle of 1 feet, and now I'm going to draw a rectangle which is unknown. The dimension I have not specified any dimension. Okay, the radius of this is 12, means we have set the unit in inches, so it is showing us in inches. Okay, that is 12 inches, that is 1 feet. Okay, now what is the scale command? Scale command is nothing but which will scale a particular object according to our desired x factor or according to our desired dimension. Okay, let's see. Now this circle I want it to be touching this box. Okay, any 2 points. Okay, I need to scale it accordingly. Okay, so select this circle, SC, scale shortcut is SC, enter. Specify the base point. Base point means that point will act as a center of axis for the entire object which you are going to do the scaling. This base point in AutoCAD is common for many commands which will act as a center point for the command whatever we are going to do. I am clicking this same center point, and now if I want to reduce the size of this circle into half the size of which is existing, then I should give as 0.5. Okay, scale factor as 0.5 means half, 1 by 2, enter. Okay, now if we check the radius, it will show us 6, which is half of 12 which we have drawn earlier. Okay, so this is one method of giving the value. Now I want it to become 1 feet which we have done earlier, so I am selecting scale, enter. Now existing is what, 6, so I need it to be doubled, so I am going to give as 2. Scale factor is 2, multiples of 2, twice the size of this circle, enter. And now if you check, you can see the radius as 12. Okay, so this is one type. The other type, selected, scale, enter, base point, any base point according to my convenient I can select. I have selected this, and then you can see here copy command. Okay, so previously we have not selected any copy command. Now I am going to click the copy command and it is asking me the scale factor, so same I am going to give as 1.5 times of the circle. Okay, click. So from that base point, okay, the circle is 1.5 times bigger than this circle, and it is copying as a new object. So if you don't select the copy command, what you will get this big circle, but the old circle will not be available. So like this we can use the copy command. Why the circle develops from here is, this is the base point which we have picked. Say for example, I will show you that if I select this scale, enter, and I am going to select the center point, and I am going to give copy, and then I am going to give the scale factor as 1.5 times. Then you can see the difference, that from the center point it will make the scale factor and it will copy the object. This is the criteria where we should look very keen on selecting the base point. Okay, delete. So we have seen two types. One is just scaling with the scale factor, another one is copying when doing the scale command. Okay, now the next one which we are going to see is select this circle, scale, SC, enter, any point I can choose. I am going to select the center point. Okay, now reference or enter. So reference means a particular distance between 2 points has to be scaled. So this point and this point, this is my reference distance. It has to be scaled according to my new points. Okay, new length. If I know the length of this point to this point, I can enter it manually, but I don't know the distance, so I need to measure it. For that I am going to use the command point P, enter. So this will be my first reference point, this will be my second reference point. So if you see this circle, okay, it will be scaled accordingly. These 2 points are the one which I have selected, this point and this point. I said I need it to be scaled. Okay, and I have took reference as this point and this point which is the same. So like this we can scale it. Okay, even in this also you can use the copy command, irrelevant of whatever option we are going for, but we can use the copy command still. Okay, for example, I know the dimension. Okay, say I'm going to draw, I will just switch on the ortho F8. Okay, I'm going to draw a line of 6 feet, and here by 6 feet, say we are drawing a square 6 feet and then close. Okay, now we all know that what is the dimension of this square. It is 6 by 6, so 6 into 12, which is 72 inches, because we have set the units in inches. Now I want to scale this circle to be fit inside this square. So select, first let's see what is the dimension which we have here. Okay, the diameter is 41.14, whatever it is, but we know the dimension here which is 72. Okay, let's see, select this circle, scale, enter. Okay, I'm going to pick the center point, and to specify the scale factor, now I cannot give it in a scale factor like 1.5 times or 1.4 times. For that, what I need to do, I should divide 72 by 41.41, and then I need to give the scale factor. That is 2-3 steps more we need to do. So simply what I'm going to do is reference or enter. So from this point to this point. Okay, then previously what we did, we have went for the option P and then we click, because we don't know the distance. Now already I have know the distance 72 inches. I know, I am giving it directly enter. So automatically this circle converted to 72 inches diameter, which we have given in the scale command. Okay, you can see it here. So 72 it touches. Now if you see the radius, you can see it will be 36, which is half of 72. Okay, this is the use of scale command. Okay, there are three things. One is just directly scaling with the scale factor, 1 times, 0.5 times, 0.3 times, 10 times, 100 times, whatever you want to scale it into X factor, you can do that. The same with copy command also you can do that. Okay, and then the other thing is clicking a reference and giving exact value. Another one option, clicking the reference by giving exact point to point distance by specifying reference, and followed by the specifying the points where we don't know the exact dimension. Okay, next, where mostly we will use this scale command. Okay, now we have drawn this all the drawing in the unit of inches, right? But for example, if the drawing is given in mm and you have drawn in inches, what we should do? Okay, so we all know that 1 inch is 25.4 millimeter, correct? So even if you convert it, it will be the same. 1 inch is 25.4 millimeter. So I have drawn here in inches. Okay, but my drawing is given in millimeter, so I have made a mistake. So I should convert it to millimeter. Okay, if you simply change your if you simply change your units, un, and millimeter and decimal, whatever it is. Okay, 0.00. okay, check the dimension, linear, it will still show you the 41.14. okay, but for your client you need to give it in millimeter, but you know this 41.14 is the one which you have drawn in inches. So you have drawn 41.14 inches, but you need to submit to your client in mm, right? So 41.14 inches into 25.4. so first we need to do scaling. Select SC, enter, specify a point. Okay, multiples of 25.4, that is 25.4, converting inches into mm. So automatically the object will be scaled max. Now if you see, click, you can see the difference. Okay, this is the place where we maximum use this scale command. Okay, now let's see about align command. Okay, I have a line here. ALIGN is the command which we are going to see. It's called align command. Okay, I have something like this, whatever. Okay, you can draw according to your convenience. I have this. Now this object, okay, this box, I need to align to this line. So let's type ALIGN, align, enter, select objects. I want to align this object. You can do multiple objects also, but now I'm going to show you the basic one object. Enter, specify the first source point. So which will be your first source point? This will be my first source point. I am going to click this, okay, and then select the first destination point. This will be my first destination point. And then second source point. This will be my second source point, and this will be my second destination point. Now it is asking me either I have any third point. I don't have any third point. I don't want, and I am clicking enter. And it is asking me scale the object based on alignment points. Do I need to scale the object as per your selection for the points? I said no. First let us try no. Enter. Okay. So once I do that, this source point is the same and destination point is the same. This source point and the destination point is in the same axis because I did not scale it. Just I want to do the alignment. Okay. Now let's undo. Okay. I'm going back, Control Z. Now align command, ALIGN, just to show you the difference of yes and no between the scales. In the align command, select, enter, specify the point. Any point I can select. First source point will be the same point, and the destination point will be the same point, and second source point, second destination point, enter. Okay. Now I'm going to give yes, scale my object in the selected points. Yes, enter. Now you can see the difference. Previously also it was aligned to the same direction where I have selected the axis, but it does not scale the object. Now these 2 points has been scaled to this 2 destination points. This is the difference between yes and no command in the align with scale. Okay, this is the difference. There is one more option. Okay, let's see. Select, ALIGN, enter. Now specify the first source point. This will be my first source point. This will be my first destination point, and second source point, second destination point. Okay, enter. Scale objects, yes, enter. Okay, we have scaled it. Now I want to scale this box and circle together. Okay, I am just selecting both the objects. Yes, align, 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 enter. Okay, this will be my first source point. This will be my first destination point. But now I'm going to select second source point, and second destination point will be this. Okay, and I'm going to scale it. Okay, and third point, there is no third point, and I'm going to scale it. Yes, enter. So you can see it will be automatically rotated and aligned, and the dimension also will fit inside these 2 points because same like the scale command which we have used. Okay, this align command mostly where we will use is when making the furniture layout, any plan, anywhere. If you want to align to that particular, you don't know the angle, how to rotate, what is the rotation angle, then you can use this align command. Okay, that's it. If you have any doubts, please do post in the comment section so that I could respond with the reply either by video or by text. Okay, feel free to have a lot of doubts so that you can learn easily. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Please subscribe so that you will be getting notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you. Bye bye.